what do we have here? See, we know what this is, and we recognize the plow, but I built a bucket for it. Yep. So it started out, I've seen all those things on the interwebs of the Ronnie buckets or whatever. I don't know if that name's trademark, so I'm going to say Ronnie but with a J, so that'd be like Johnny, but anyways, you know what I mean. So yeah, so I've seen a couple of these, people have homemade them, so I decided that I'm going to need to do some landscaping this summer, so I'm going to make this. I just sketched it out on a piece of paper, pen and paper. Got this design that I like here, this little shape. Anyways, then measured my plow, and then at my high school we have a metal shop and a CNC plasma cutter, so I used the program AutoCAD, drew a simple rectangle type thing, I don't know, and then this is just a rectangle here, so that's easy enough. Then put some beads along it, and then made this right here so it can pivot on the lathe. Just a piece of hex, bored through it with a, can't remember what size hole, but then I have a piece of rebar in it. Same with this, because that's what was cheap and free, so free is good. But yeah, it works. I mean, I haven't tried it out, but I've tried it with some bricks in it or some concrete. I just have this thing it doesn't weigh very much, but I just have the same weight that I was using for the snowplow. That made it about 0 effort to lift the blade in snow configuration. So there's a bit more weight here with just some random stuff in it. So we'll put a bit of concrete in it to simulate something. Why not? And we come over here. This is my dump mechanism. You'll see that. Very classy. So it's down but not hitched in. So that's a struggle for a 2-finger pull almost there. But that's no problem there. Like, that's no problem. Maybe lifting maybe 20 pounds, because that's probably what I have in the front, because that's how I've leveled it off with the weight on the back. So yeah, so that's about as high as it goes. I mean, that's as high as you'll ever need it to go, but that's just because you know how levers work. The bigger the lever, the easier it is to pull, but the less height you get out of it. And then this, I just guesstimated on how tall to make that. Can always cut it down later, but then I have this rope right here, so when I'm on it I could just give it a yank, and then that opens like that. And obviously with dirt or something and it'll dissipate, then I can back up. But yeah, another piece of rebar just to strengthen it so that not all the torsion from lifting is on the welds. But yeah, just it's some 10 gauge here. So yeah, hopefully I won't wear through it anytime soon, but it's mostly going to be just for dirt and debris and some other things like that. Maybe some compost or mulch. But anyways, yeah. So I'll just have this hooked in here on the clutch pedal, but I'll be holding it when it's in the up position. Then when I put it down, it tensions it. But anyways, yeah. So that's pretty much it. We'll see if we can do some stuff. I've got some piles I need to move, so we'll try it out with it running. So let's get into it. So that's about the size scoop you can probably take right there. And then it just pushes it back. Pretty good, I think. So I finally got to the bottom of things. Anyways, but yeah, so underneath all that concrete around here there's like a lid, like for a septic tank or something. So I'm gonna drag it out with this. Got a chain. Let's make it happen. And as for the lawn roller, it's doing good. Need to put some paint on it, so I'm probably going to do that today or sometime this weekend. This is the May long weekend. So anyways, yeah, we'll do that. I would use the Gravely, but it's out of gas, so I'd rather use this that's full of gas. Anyways, yeah, but it worked good. Now just get some grass seed on there, you'll never know. Anyways, let's fill this up and have a burn then. So overall, I think that it works fairly well, and I think that it'll prove itself to be a handy tool. Yep. Even just putting stuff in it and driving around, you know, carrying those concrete pieces and stuff. Anyways, so the next thing will probably be putting paint on both of these so they don't completely look like crap. But anyways, that'll be the end of this one. If you enjoyed the video on making this and working with it, hit like and leave a comment. If there's videos on the screen, if I choose to do that, I don't know. Click them if you want. But until next time, have a nice day. Goodbye. Oh, and I think this will go up on the long weekend of May, so have a good May long weekend. Yeah, that's about it. Anyways, have a good day. Bye.